Hello my friends out there in the YouTubes. What is going on with you guys today? It's still Sunday morning, and I actually thought it was going to be a lot nicer out here. Thought it was going to be warmer. It was warmer when I was mowing the grass. I actually got the grass mowed today already for the 8th week in a row. It's crazy. Yeah, so I thought it was warmer out here. That's why I'm out here in a t-shirt. But I think I'm going to pull over up here and put something else on, because it is a little bit chillier than what I had planned on it being, and it is really overcast today. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull over up in this little park that I actually shot the VMAX, last VMAX ride video on. I'll post that up here, there, wherever the freak it you post it at. And gonna put my shit on, man, because like I said, a little cooler than what I expected it to be. So I'll get back with you in a minute. Might as well take some pictures. I don't ever stop and take pictures, so screw it. Go for a ride. Now that I am all geared up and won't be freezing my ass off. All right, let's ride, shall we? So I got to tell you, right now I'm wearing these Oakleys right here. They have a polarized lens in them, and looking through the sunglasses and the shield, it's like my gauges kind of like disappears and reappears, and yeah, all the oncoming traffic, their windshields are like blue, because that's what the I guess that's what the polarizing does with the light. So golfers out on the golf course. I used to play golf, not a lot, but a little bit, and I sucked at it. I really was never that good at it. I was pretty much so a hacker. But the whole thing was to get out and have fun. Yeah, it's not fun when you suck. You know, the whole camaraderie thing and yada yada yada, but it's good hanging out with people, you know, but the fact that you suck at something is really frustrating. Kind of like I suck at this channel. Anyway, I'm really not here to talk about anything in particular. Just here to take a ride and say hi to you guys. Yeah, like I said, you guys know most of my riding. I keep on fucking saying this every time it's done commuting, and it's actually nice to be able to get out on a Sunday and go for a ride. And I figure, looking at the skies, I ain't got a whole much window there to enjoy myself, because it looks like it's going to open up at any time, and they're saying it's not supposed to rain until like 3 o'clock maybe, and it's only 11:39, 11:40. So hopefully go out and ride for a little while and not get caught in it, because it doesn't look promising right now. This right here is awesome. So this week was the first week of the year that actually hit close to 90 degrees. Yeah, it was in the 80s and 90, and my central air broke. Yeah, kind of fucked up. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, when it was starting to get warm outside, yeah, and I sleep in the heat of the day. Hey, puppy dog. I sleep in the heat of the day, and it can be brutal at times. It's luckily Friday morning they came out and they fixed it, and it was actually something quite simple and relatively inexpensive to fix. So my AC's back up and running, and sleeping is quite comfortable again. Yeah, like we have a window fan that has a thermostat on it, and it actually shows the temperature and stuff. And when I woke up Thursday afternoon, it was like 91 or so in my bedroom. Yeah, so needless to say, didn't get a whole lot of quality sleep because of it. But again, I say it's fixed now. These houses like are really, really nice houses, and like it's insane the money these houses cost. Yeah, I don't, man. So yeah, look at this homestead, man. Look all the way back there. I don't know if you can see it. All the way back there. Tennis courts, basketball courts. Jeez. So yeah, the quality of sleep that I got to have to go to work overnight was lacking, to say the least. But I made it through, and I'm used to working on limited amount of sleep. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. So until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.